Hello and welcome to the Field Boss Schedule Board. In this video, I will discuss how to change the schedule board settings to personalize your view of upcoming service activities. To access the settings menu, click the gear icon in the top right of the navigation bar. If need be, you can adjust your time zone to reflect your working environment. It is typically set at an organizational level, so if you are in a different city than your company's head office, you may need to adjust this setting. You can also adjust the range of times displayed on the schedule board with the working time toggles. You should match this range of time to your field staff's working hours. For example, if they only work 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., you should adjust this accordingly. Time resolution refers to the increments in which bookings can be scheduled. Since it is currently set at 15 minutes, bookings can be scheduled in 15-minute increments. Now, if I adjusted this setting to 30 minutes, you would note that the increments would increase to 30-minute intervals. The resources per page toggle determines how many field workers you will see on the left side of your screen before you must switch to a separate page. Right now, since it's set at 20, I can simply scroll down to see the list of 15 field workers in this environment. Now, if I change this setting to 10, I will only be able to see 10 field workers before having to click the downwards arrow at the bottom left side of the screen to see the remaining 5 in our 15-person list. The number of days per page toggle will allow you to see more days in a specific view without having to adjust the date range. For example, currently I can only see 1 day within my current view. If I switch now this setting to 2, I will be able to see 2 working days side by side. You can also adjust row height as well as column width using these 2 toggles in the Sizes tab. Finally, you can choose to hide and unhide canceled activities, as well as the legend, using these 2 toggles. After watching this video, you should be confident in changing the settings of the Field Boss schedule board. You should know how to adjust the time zone, working time boundaries, and time resolution. You should also be comfortable with adjusting the resources and number of days per page, changing the size of rows and columns, as well as hiding and unhiding the legend as well as canceled activities. Check out some of our other videos to learn more about Field Boss schedule board settings and functions, including adjusting the map settings as well as creating custom filters for your organization. This has been settings for the Field Boss schedule board. See you in the next video.